Hey, it's Will with GrimmSpeed again, and I'm here today to talk to you about our 44 and 38 millimeter V-band block-off plate install for our external wastegate up-pipe kit. Now, the tools we're going to need today are a 4.5 millimeter hex, an 8 millimeter wrench, and of course the external wastegate up-pipe itself, and about 2 minutes. We're going to start off by taking a look at what comes inside this little white box. Now, the one we're looking at today is the 44 millimeter, but the 38 millimeter is the same install, so no worries. Now, when we open this up, of course, the first thing we're going to see is our mailing card signed personally by whomever packaged this just for you. Our super sweet GrimmSpeed sticker, which adds just about 5 horsepower depending on where you place it. And of course, the block-off plate and V-band clamp itself. Now, these are going to come inside of a clear bag inside of this white foam bag, but I removed the clear bag to make this a little easier. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is the V-band clamp itself. This thing is super heavy duty, super lightweight. It really is an indestructible piece. And of course, the block-off plate itself. Now, this is a very nicely CNC'd piece designed by our engineer. This thing is really beautiful up close. Now, installing this is pretty easy. We're going to focus on the non-tapered side, the side with the ridge on it, and we're going to put this into the port on the side of our external wastegate up pipe. It's actually a really nice snug fit and will sit in there by itself. Next up, we're going to take the V-band clamp itself, our wrench, and of course our hex, and we're going to take the nut off of the screw so that way the whole clamp can be unassembled. Once the screw is removed, open up the V-band clamp all the way and slide it over the connection between the block-off plate and the external wastegate pipe itself. Now, once you get this clamp slipped over, make sure you rotate it so that neither hinge is going to interfere between the flange and the turbo itself. Simply thread on the nut to the screw, grab your wrench, and tighten this thing down. You're going to want to make sure that this gets nice and tight. Once it's nice and tight, that's it for this install. This should hold you over until you're ready to get the external wastegate. Thanks guys so much for checking us out.